21 suspected IPOB members arrested in Port Harcourt for killing 3 policemen and burning 3 stations, Ndume said. The aftermath of the violence that trailed the hijack of the EndSARS peaceful protest is making headlines nationwide, as every aspect of the country counts their losses. The Rivers State Police Command suffered tremendous amount of casualties in lives of its officers and its properties. The police command has made some progress in trying to bring to justice people suspected of perpetrating the crimes, as the command has paraded some 21 persons arrested and suspected to be members of the outlawed indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, who the police are accusing of killing its personnel and destroying its stations around Onyigbo area of River State. These are the arrested members. Number of hoodlums arrested 21. Number of policemen killed 3. Number of police station burned 3. Number of police station vandalized 1. Number of hoodlums killed 4. Sunday Dubon, APC driver attached to anti-kidnapped unit, ACO, killed and burnt to ashes. Swawali Onan, attached to 19 PMF on special duty at Onyigbo, killed and burnt to ashes. Umunna Uchechukwu, serving in Afam police station, his leg and hand were cut off and burnt to ashes. Oguziem Nwajie, male. Chibueze Raphael, male. Andrew Oyam, male. Chisom Ogbowu, male. Mebeberi Yegbara, male. Thank God Samuel, male. Nzube Ukachukwu, male. Temple Uzoegbu, male. Success Odinaka, male. Ugochukwu Omehie, male. Evidence Ugodo, male. Chibuzo Ugo, male. Dennis Richard, male. Chidi Samuel, male. Emmanuel Michael, male. Shedrack Chinasa, male. Hope Solomon, male. Anthony Okwele, male. Nweke Onugbo, male. Kenneth Ojikeya, male. Samuel Uban, male. Thank you for listening to this news. 21 IPOB members arrested. No wala. My viewers, I broadcasted this news early this morning where the Miyetti Allah Cattle Hall raised an alarm lamenting of the killing of Northerners in Rivers and the burning of their trailers. I said it earlier today that you will see that this alarm that Miyetti Allah has just raised, you will see how immediate it will get an answer. I said it, that it will take 24 hours that there will be an answer. You can see, did it took 24 hours? No. You can see that before 24 hours, the Nigerian government has already made a move. And now, they have started arresting the IPOB members. And you can see the result they have been able to produce. You see, this is what is called level of injustice, hatred, and deceit. So these people, they are purposely dealing with the Igbos. They are purposely dealing with the IPOBs. They are purposely dealing with the Christians. When it is the Igbos, they have raised alarm, probably in the southeast, where the Fulani herders do massacre people in their farms, do kill people unjustly. If they are the one that raised an alarm and say that, look, they have killed some number of farmers in the farm. Some persons have been murdered, some persons have been stabbed. I tell you, for 1 week, you will not hear the voice of any police force. And you will not hear that any of these people has been arrested. But now, it has come to the case of the IPOB. You can see how fast they can be. You can see their move. Nsobu. See how they captured IPOB members. You see? I want to tell you something. I said it earlier that Nyesom Wike is just brainwashed. He's just brainwashed, and it will be painful to him when he later discover that the people that he is blaming are not actually the people that actually carried out that evil crime. And that is why I was of the opinion this morning when I was doing my morning broadcast that Wike should hold his cool and carry out a peaceful and a well investigation and see to the fact that these people are not truly the real perpetrator of this crime. I said so. But as it is, the deed has been done. Well, no problem. You see, lie may last, but it can never last forever. It will never last forever. It's just a question of time. It's just a question of time. It's just a little time. They will get the truth. They will get the truth. But then, it will be very painful if they later discover that IPOB wasn't the one that carried out this action. I'm telling you. But then, what is paining me mostly is the immediate action that these people carried out. You see. No problem. We are all into this together. The truth will surely be revealed. It will be revealed though. But one thing is for sure. This lie that they have levied on IPOB will not last. It will not last. Because IPOB will do all its best to review the liars and the deceivers of this atrocity. So my viewers, what do you think? What is your own thoughts and observation? What do you think is the cause of this? I don't know. I've only heard my own view. Please and please and please, deem it fit to leave your own comments below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.